Have you ever pondered about the enigma that is programming? What makes it one of the most sought-after skills in this digital age? Today, dive into the mesmerizing world of code, algorithms, and logic, and unravel the mysteries that lie beneath the surface of your screen. Begin by considering one of the most fundamental concepts in programming: variables. Imagine a box. This box can hold any item you want: a book, a pen, or even an apple. In programming, a variable is that box. It's a space in the computer's memory where you can store information to be used later, but unlike a physical box, a variable can change what it holds. One moment it might contain a number, the next it can hold a text string or even a complex data structure. Now, imagine you have multiple boxes. You need a way to identify each one. That's where variable names come in. They are the labels on the boxes, making it easy for you to find the right one when you need it. Moving on, let's delve into the realm of functions. Picture a machine in a factory. You feed raw materials into it and it churns out a finished product. A function in programming works similarly. It takes inputs, processes them, and then produces an output. But remember, a function does nothing until you call it into action, just like a machine that remains idle until you turn it on. Next, consider the concept of loops. Imagine a conveyor belt in a factory. It repeats the same action over and over again, as long as there are items on the belt. Loops in programming serve a similar purpose. They repeat a block of code multiple times, saving you from the tedium of writing the same lines of code again and again. Now visualize a maze. To get through it, you need to make decisions at every turn. If you see a wall, you turn. If you see an open path, you move forward. This is akin to decision-making in programming achieved through conditional statements. They allow your program to make decisions based on certain conditions, leading it down different paths of execution. As we wrap up this deep dive, remember that programming isn't just about writing code. It's about solving problems, optimizing solutions, and creating value. It's a skill that requires logic, patience, and a keen eye for detail. Remember the variables, those versatile boxes that can hold anything. Recall the functions, those efficient machines that transform inputs into outputs. Don't forget the loops, the tireless workers repeating tasks over and over. And of course, the conditional statements, the decision makers that guide your program's path. In the end, programming isn't just a skill, it's an art that paints the digital canvas of our lives, one line of code at a time. So, the next time you swipe on your phone or click on your computer, remember the intricate dance of code that makes it all possible.